Hey my loves, it's Lady Badolphin here with another client makeup tutorial. Here is my client Josephine. In today's video we are going to do her makeup. As you can see there, I was starting with my Micellar cleansing water. I have to cleanse her face like you very nicely. Jumping straight with my moisturizer. And that moisturizer is from the brand over there I just showed. And yeah, starting with my moisturizer, like moisture your client's skin, even if she's oil or normal or any type of skin, you have to go with the skin. I went ahead with my second moisturizer. As you can see there, I always like to use 2 different moisturizer once it comes to my client. I don't know why, but if you have one, it's enough. I went straight with my Milk Hydro primer. Yeah, as you can see there, but I always wait until one product, like 1 minute before I apply the other one, like that product absorb into her skin very nicely. Went straight with my Fancy Beauty foundation. I just put enough foundation, not too much, not too small, just enough. Went with my damp sponge. As you can see over there, just tapping, like blending, not rubbing, but tap into my client's skin. Yeah, with her shade, you have to match her shade, guys. Went with my Morphe spray to make her skin hydra. Went ahead with my Milani concealer on the shade, I think 170. Yeah, that's 170. Went to contour her, to give her face a contrast, something like contact. So went with that concealer. I'm sorry guys. And contour her nose, her forehead, her cheeks bone. Just put whenever you see me putting there. As you can see there, I just put and tap. My technique is tapping and blending, guys. You have to blend your product. If you feel like you are just there, if you feel like you are not tired yet, your shoulder are not tired, make sure you are not blending enough. You have to blend. Like blend your product, your foundation, your contour, your highlight, blend it together. And don't rub it, but tap it with a damp sponge. Yes, as you can see there, just go ahead and contour my client's nose, contour and blend it into her skin. Yeah, over there just rub it, but you can either tap, rub. Go ahead and take my sponge and just go over it and make sure it is into her skin, guys. Yeah, jump straight to my blush. Once it comes to light skin girls, I always like to use orange blush. I like to use orange blush, and you can see, blend my blush. The sponge that I'm using is the same spots of foundation and contour. As you can see, went with my concealer shade 150 and 120 from Milani. I love Milani products, guys. I really like Milani products, especially their concealer. They are very nice concealer, full coverage. Like, I recommend it as a makeup artist. So I always go ahead with it with under her eye, not like whenever you see me put it, just put it there on the corner of her eye. Just lift her face with that concealer on the inner corner of her eye. Make sure you avoid her under eye, guys. Don't put too much product on her under eye because of the breakage of her under eye. Went ahead and turn my sponge and blend it from outer corner to inner corner. Yes, from the outer corner to inner corner, guys. Went ahead and blend it. forehead. And one thing that I forget to tell you guys, for concealer to her nose, I just make a V shape over there. So went ahead with my light concealer. I think it was on the shade 120, because I use 120 and 150. That is 120 shade. Just put it in the inner corner of my client's eyes and blend it. Blend and a bridge of her nose a little bit, because she's a light skin girl. And that's how your client face should look after finish up your liquid products. Yeah, went with my powder from Glam Luxury. She's a brand here in Wichita. She's very nice. She has a very nice product. Once it comes to her palettes, powders, lips, she's like the best. I recommend it. So that's her powder I just use. As you can see, her powder is melting. I like her powder so much. It's melting into my client's skin. It's like to make it soft, like a baby skin. Yeah, that's my powder. I'm just set it up, and you can see I just put small by small powder. Don't put too much for the same time. You have to go small, add something like that, and use the same spot for the sponge. Yeah, went ahead with my Juvia's Place. At that time, guys, I forget that my camera stopped. I didn't know why, but I just come here to show you what I used to her cheeks. It was my Juvia's Place bronzer. I don't remember the shade, but you can go with that picture. Just screenshot and go and look for that if you have the same shade with my clients. Yeah, that's what I use. I come back and show you guys. For the blush, I like to use the Zulu from Juvia's Place again, Zulu palette. The orange and the yellow, shade. On the yellow, what is that called? Yeah, those two blush, those two eyeshadow palette, I use it as a blush. Went ahead with to set up my eyebrows. I went ahead and bake. For set up my eyebrows, I use the same baking powder and dry my eyebrows and comb it up and jump straight to my baking powder, guys. Went ahead and baked my under eye. There we are with my with my eyebrow. As you can see, guys, I thought this is dark brown. I think it's dark brown. I don't know why my camera shows it as a black eyebrow pencil, but it's dark brown. As you can see from the tip of this pencil, it's dark brown, but it shows black over there. I didn't know why. And you have to go soft with your brows. I like to go soft with my brows, guys. I don't like deep brows, like dark brows. Like, my brows has to look natural. Yeah, just do it. And if you need more tutorial of just brows, how to do brows, just focus on the brows, let me know on the comment section, guys. I will do the video just for brows. Yeah, over there I was going just quick. But if you like me to come back with the tutorial of my brows, I will let you know. And what I usually do is like put the concealer, bright concealer that I use on under eye, just put it on the tip of my brows, and from the front of my brows, I went ahead with the contour shade that I use and just put on the tip of on the front of my brows. That's it. It's simple. It sounds simple, yeah. And guys, did you subscribe yet? Did you like yet? I need you guys to subscribe. Just support your girl. I'm coming with more video of makeups, hair. Just subscribe so that you cannot miss my tips. And yeah, do that for the support, for supporting me. Yes, guys, went ahead with my concealer. as my eyeshadow primer. The concealer that I use is the same concealer, the bright concealer that I use for her under eye. Just go ahead and prime her eyelid. I use this Culture from Juvia's Place, guys. As you can see, it was new. By the time I went to buy my, it's very nice. Let me just say that it's very nice. Went ahead with the shade Queen. It's kind of Queen vibes. That's the shade is called. It's kind of yellowish, brownish. So I went ahead and create my eyelid. Went ahead with my powder palette from Zamora and take the brownish shade and just create my transition. Yeah, as you can see there, just go ahead with starting from the dark brown, starting from the light brown to the dark brown. At that time, I went ahead with my Waroba. It's called Waroba from that Culture palette, and just set my eyelid. I was like, I don't know what to do, but I'm a very natural, simple, and just simple glam girl. I like simple, I like natural glam. Because at that time I went ahead with my dashiki. It's kind of red brownish, and just add to the brownish color. Went ahead with Kingdom, the Kingdom one. It's kind of shimmery. It's shimmer. I went ahead and put on top of my greenish yellowish eyeshadow. I'm sorry. Yeah, that time I went ahead with my eyeline. My eyeline, I think from La Gueule, if you're not mistaken. Yeah, just draw my eyeline. As you can see over there, I'm just drawing my eyeline. And yeah, if you need more tutorial and just video for eyeline, how to do your eyeline, I'm here for you guys. Just comment down below. I will come back. Just let me know and I will come back for that. Yes, guys, just went ahead and create the lift my client face with the concealer and dry up with her baking powder and lift it up. As you can see there, just lift up her face. And for her under eye, I like a little bit of smoky under eye. I use the dashiki shade, same dashiki, kind of reddish brownish. Use from the under eye and smoke there, and take and take her black pencil, waterline pencil, and just do it. And from the from the eyelashes, I went ahead and put and just do my eyelashes. I can see the eyelashes from, I just would buy it from Ultra, I think Ultra store. Yeah, Ultra, some either way, people call it in either way. So, and that's the brand of it. I just showed there. From her lips to her lips, I went ahead and draw with my lips pencil, kind of dark brownish, and draw it and draw her lips, outer corner of her lips, guys. Yeah, and go ahead with my lips. My matte lips from Glam Luxury again. She has a very nice lipstick, as you see there. She really have a very nice lipstick, guys. Go purchase her. Yeah, and from the inner corner, I just take my pinkish, kind of light pinkish from my lips palette that I have for a very, very long time, and just put it on the middle of her lips and tell my client Josephine to tap like bam bam bam, blend her lips. Yeah, I went ahead and clean her lips, her lipstick, and you can see that I'm just cleaning her lipstick because it was kind of out of her lips, and take my is it concealer, the concealer that I use from her, under eye, and just clean it up. Yeah guys, and yeah, as you can see there, my client's face starts like coming together. It's coming together already. Her skin is skinning. And take my lips, my lip gloss, and glow her lips, because her lips was kind of dry. I was going with a matte lipstick, but I was like, now you need lips gloss. Yeah, just brush my client's Josephine eyelashes, bottom eyelashes, guys. I'm sorry. Just brush our bottom eyelashes, and then boom, use my Fenty Beauty highlighter and Glam Luxury again highlights. See what the magic happened over there, guys. Yeah, just take my Fenty Beauty and put on top of the Glam Luxury highlighter cheeks. Damn guys, see this look, see my model, see how she's coming back together, see the skin. Yes, at that time she was like vibing herself, and yeah, feeling herself with her song. That's her favorite song. Yes guys, her skin is glowing. This part here no filter, and the other part is having filter. That's what I put there together, with filter and without filter, so that you can see the difference. I think the left part without filter, the right part it have a little bit of filter, not too much. That's how my clients coming back together, guys. And don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, guys. Bye.